So, let's see. You just got a new MacBook or an iMac, and you also got a piece of software called iLife. Hello everyone, I'm Xander, and this is another Mac tutorial on the basics of iLife. Now, I'm not going to go too specific with iLife. I'm just going to show it in general, whatever. So, I'll start with iPhoto. Oh, but by the way, when you install iLife, it's going to come with iPhoto, iMovie, iWeb, and I think that's it. I forget. Oh yeah, and iDVD. I didn't even see that. Oh yeah, and GarageBand. That's what it'll come with. So now we're going to start with iPhoto. Not updating. And iPhoto has a really neat, like, database type thing, and it's really cool. So let's just open up a sample picture for now. So there's me, and the cool thing about this is this also has its own little editor, so you can edit it to whatever you want. So let's see, maybe I want to crop it a little bit. So let's just align that up there. Then simply hit apply, and now it's been cropped, but I just want it back. And also, like, the effects, like from like Photo Booth or whatever, these are the only effects you can pick from. You can switch them, and some of them have more than one type of effect. You can also retouch. Not really sure what that does though. And then on the bottom right corner, you can also edit that photo's information. So this would be Xander is a clown. I'll just keep that. Then it shows the date you took that picture, and you can rate it like 5 stars or whatever. I'll rate that 5 stars. Keyword is Photo Booth, JPEG, the size, and the memory size. Anyway, that's Photo Booth. Now we're going to go on to iMovie. Now, the reason why I have 2 iMovies is because I use iMovie HD more than iMovie 08, which came with iLife. But I'll just show you iMovie anyway. So this is iMovie's little database. Yeah, I just made a movie today. But I'll just go to an example. It's not really good. The what it gives you, like, yeah, it doesn't really give you good transitions or titles or whatever. That's why I suggest iMovie HD. It's a minute to load. Anyway, that's just some footage that I already have on YouTube. And with this, you can also adjust the audio, you can crop it, you can add narrations. I'm not sure what that does. You can adjust the video adjustments, such as color and all that. That's iMovie. So now we're going to move on to iDVD. You can pretty much make DVDs with this. For me, with XJ Pictures, where I'm using this to create a DVD of our first season, me and Jared. So anyway, it's still loading. It's loading the project right now. This is iWeb's database, and of course, there's another update for this. And on the right, you can see the themes, and you can choose from different themes, and there's that update again. And you could choose 7.0, 6.0, 5.0, old, or a theme pack, which I installed myself, so we'll just go to all. And then at the bottom, you can choose from different buttons, like from text, bullet, shapes, frames, artistic, rectangle, rounded, and you can also choose which media you want to drag in to like a thing. So now that changed, but I want to keep that. And you can also see like the branches, like what goes to where. And that's iDVD. I'm not going to go into burning yet. I'll be specific with that later in my other tutorials. Anyway, I think there are 2 more pieces of software: GarageBand and iWeb. Let's go to iWeb. Now I'm also doing a lot of web design with iWeb. It's really good to use, cool to use. Loading. Okay. So, yeah, this is our website, and iWeb has a really nice database. It's kid-friendly, and like from iLife and iWork, it does have an inspector window, so you can choose like if you want your site to have like a login when you type in the password, like if you want it to be secure. The title at the top, like if it would say like select a site - Internet Explorer, whatever, page layout, photos, RSS feeds, text, so on. And at the bottom toolbar, you can see that you can also add widgets, like HTML snippets. If you are like one of those if you're like a professional web designer, you could just drag some HTML in here to get like Flash or whatever. Also, you can drag in media. You can adjust the image, inspector, colors, fonts. Yeah. But I like iWeb. It's a very nice database and has a whole bunch of themes too. And that's iWeb. And then last but not least, GarageBand. I'm using this with recording music, that is. I was going to use Apple Logic, but the minute I looked at Logic's database, I did not want to use that. GarageBand is much more simpler, and I'm just going to open up one of my projects. Yeah. It doesn't matter. Let's just do a demo song. Let's just do Dawn After Storm. This is a demo song that came with GarageBand Jam Pack voices that I bought. So this is a really nice database, really good. When I do a separate tutorial on GarageBand, I'll go specific with Magic GarageBand, which is amazing. It's incredible. So you can record stuff with it. Here are all the different instruments and all that. Here are some loops at the bottom, like drum kits. Yeah, it's amazing. I like that loop. Okay, and I forgot to show you the. This also has an inspector window, so you can choose from different effects or tracks, whatever. Figure out what your instrument will sound like. And also you can import media into it, audio, photos, and movies. So that's GarageBand, and that's iLife in a nutshell. Okay, I hope this was a good basic tutorial on how to use iLife, and have a nice day.